Jennifer Lopez paid a small tribute to Nicki Minaj at the AMAs, but it looked like Nicki was throwing some shade during J.Lo's performance, and we've got all the details right here on Clevver's Trophy Life. J.Lo started out with a musical montage for her opening at the AMAs last night, but when Anaconda came on, Nicki Minaj didn't look too happy about it. So the real question here is she shading J.Lo or is she not? All signs point to no. Before the night was over, a short clip of Nicki's reaction to J.Lo's dance started making rounds on Twitter, and before things got out of hand, Nicki quoted that very tweet that said, quote, "Dang J.Lo, Nicki Minaj facial expression says it all. We still love you though," and responded with, "LOL says what all. I'm looking at my own face on the screen. When I'm looking to the right, I turn back and look at her," with a laughing emoji. To be fair, Nicki kind of had the same facial expression whenever the camera panned over to her during other performances. So if you're going to say she's throwing shade at J.Lo, you might as well say that she threw shade at everyone at the AMAs. Am I right or am I right? As always, I want to hear from you. Did you guys think Nicki was throwing shade at J.Lo last night? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And when you're done with that, you can click right over here to watch J.Lo's AMA opening. And don't forget to subscribe to Clevver News. Thank you so much for hanging out with me right here on Clevver's Trophy Life. I'm your host, Jackie Idanisi, and I'll see you guys next time. Click to the left for 7 of the best moments at the AMAs or to the right for the AMAs winner recap.